everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and now you will see this menu, so tap on your device at the top, and right here we have ambient sound control. So firstly we need to enable transparency, just tap on it, and right here we have a mod. So tap on it also, and here is full transparent or vocal mode. Click at the best one for you, you can swap between them, and you can then just go back. I recommend it to test this mod to you what will be the best one for you, and you can also change it depending of your situation. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.